So when you're looking at these, are they coming in from the same types of places where other people are doing marketing? I know you're JVing on some stuff, and they're basically looking for the same type of motivated leads, but then they're coming across these ones that they're going, well, off of this list or that list, this one's a little bit more sticky, and then they're digging in and getting just a little bit more deeper into critical thinking and problem solving on these to really make them work.
So the best type of marketing that we do and that our students do is virtual driving for dollars for sure. We use an app called Envelo. My buddy, I don't know if you know Justice Silverio from
Great
Open Letter
guy.
Marketing.
Yeah,
Yeah,
great guy. Love
awesome
Justin.
guy. Yeah, so he developed that app. It's driving for dollars with AI. That is the best type of leads. And then we have SOPs that we keep proprietary that we show our community and we share with them, the paid community, and they follow our process to find like tax delinquencies, probates, partitions, adverse possessions, that kind of stuff. And it works on commercial too. So it works on residential and commercial. I've proven it to work on commercial. We bought a vacant piece of land in Delray Beach that, is a $4 million potential deal there. And we controlled it for $0, right? So same problem, same type of seller was going into foreclosure. It's zoned for, development multifamily. It's zoned for 7 townhomes and same documents. Right? So you really need two documents. The two documents you need is a deed and a POA, a limited power of attorney. So, which again, all this is inside of our community.